Hello, this is Benjamin John Pope, and I'm talking about what you need to do for post-production according to written work and video creation or moving image creation, and what you should do to get ready or make sure every element of the filming is ready and the post-production regime or schedule or whatever you want to call it, the written technical part behind the work. So what you need to understand is there's a method of going through the whole arrangement and the whole specialist way of specializing with a list, and I'm going to type down now in an order what I will teach you on my website, what to actually do. On my website there will be step-by-step tutorials on post-production. There'll be step-by-step tutorials on post-production which will teach you methods of all written work for different video genres, etc., etc. But what I'm going to type down now is the list of things that you will be making. So when you make it in the tutorial on my website when it's available, you will learn how to set up the page with format of boxes and what they're called tables, format of tables, the professional way of formatting a screenplay document, the exact method to use, the exact amount of words that you should use on certain documents, etc., etc. But what you should always start out with is the concept. So you do the concept and then you do the proposal. These two are the first two things you should do in any type of media creation. It has written work. Then it is the story, no, not yet, concept, proposal, script development, so that's like an estimated script. So you go through, when you do your script development, it's not a full script, it's like a script that is screenplay. So the script development isn't the script. There's 3 types of scripts that you have to write down, being a producer or director or writer. So the script development is just a rough edit of the movies, dynamics, etc., etc. It's like the narrative or it's basically the description of your video, and then after that you do risk assessment, you do your schedule, you do your minutes, So you do your risk assessment. Right, so here we go. After these have done, because your minutes here it should be every meeting you have with your team before and after and during the production. Then you want your storyboard. So you have your storyboard, which will be the pictures. Sorry about that. It'll be the pictures and the description of the role play and acting and the place of filming. So you do a picture and then a description of what the picture is according to a screenplay definition, and then you can use more detail than that, but that's basically the short definition of a storyboard. You then do your shot list, which is I always used to do 2 shot lists. I used to do a shot list and then a footage log. So I'll do shot list, which is all imagery of production. So the shot list is all imagery of production, and then when you're actually producing or developing the movie or whatever it is you're making, you should have production / footage log. So you know exactly what picture and when is the exact video footage clip that you'll use in the editing. So it helps your editing basically. After all of this, you want to character development. I've said that there, but that is actually something you'll do once character development's done. And you'd also want to do trying to think, concept, proposal, script development, risk assessment, storyboard, shot list, screenplay script, you'd also want to do a part of screenplay script is the real script talking on. So part of the screenplay script is the real script, but you want to then write it on the screenplay script and once finished, write out individual scripts for characters, etc. Take from screenplay. So then after all of it's done, you should be evaluating all work, save as written document, final evaluation, right, so that's basically it done. Right, so this is what you're going to be learning. I'll teach you step by step. Might even be a free tutorial package. But I'm going to teach you how to write and what way to format each of these documents. So we got concept, proposal, script development, risk assessment, schedule, minutes, storyboard, shot list, production and footage log, character development, screenplay script, the real script, the character script, and once you've still been doing it, evaluating all your work. There is other pieces that I add to it myself, which you can learn in the tutorial that I will be either giving away free as the first free total package, or it'll be a small donation, or I haven't decided yet. I'll probably do it for free, just so you understand the detail that I go into when I create stuff, and the detail that you need to do to come across as professional if you're going to do work for clients, basically, after learning what I teach you in my tutorials on the Ultra Dream website. Thank you for listening.